YouTube, what's poppin', man? Retro family, retro gang. This your boy Retro Rick from Retro Ricky Maddy's Kicks coming back at you. Look, wherever you are, I hope you're enjoying your day today. You know how I say, man, good morning, good noon, or good night. So look, outside, a lot going on. I was supposed to get this unboxing out the way Saturday. I apologize, I couldn't get it out the way. It came Saturday. So we're gonna get right into it. Not gonna hold y'all up. Look, man, shop with my boy Money Fresh Clothing as well. teesprings.com/Money Fresh Clothing, or you can just catch him on IG, Money Fresh Clothing. Hey, on IG, Money Fresh Clothing. I'm gonna leave the description below. Don't worry, my producer gonna take care of that. Shout out to producer Naya. She back holding the camera for her dad, and I appreciate you, baby, out here rocking out this summer. Speaking of summer, before we get into this box, shout out to the graduation class 2019. We gonna hop right into it. Shout out graduations near and far. Let's get right into it, gang. Retro family, let's get right into this unboxing. Look, I went on slick, open it up. I had to. I wanted to take a look at it real quick. I did. I'm glad I did. Yo, this shoe is dope. I'm not gonna hold y'all up no more. Look, June the 9th coming up. Y'all don't know. You got Heritage Pride for the Puerto Ricans. So you got their heritage, like this, like their 61st annual event, if I'm not mistaken. And it's going to be out there in Manhattan, New York, and other spots. I think Chicago's doing something too, in LA, if I'm not mistaken. But I know in New York they be going bananas. Trust me. So look, got the shout out to New York too, by the way. You got the Air Max. You see that retail for $140. Open this up. My apologies. Like I told you, I had to go here and look at the paperwork, make sure everything was good. I had to slip look at it. Man, look at here, look at here. Sheesh. You know what your boy say? Sheesh. Don't worry, I'm gonna give y'all the detail. We're gonna pull up on them. We're gonna zoom in. We got the producer in the building. You know what I'm saying? Matter of fact, let's go and work this camera with the producer now. Let's go and give him a close up. Let's give him what everybody look. I'm gonna talk about this one shoe. While y'all look at this one. Now this shoe is blue. Of course, it's the representing flag. You got the Puerto Rican flag on the back. You got PR Air Max on this one. Nice, nice. Kind of rare, you know, the rare white and blue things and the laces, the lace tips. They slick dropped these, or Nike did. I got mine Friday. It was early access. You had to give them a 4.8, and when I ordered, I ended up getting them overnight shipped. That's how I got them Saturday. Then they put them on the app Saturday too as well, and they sold out ASAP. So, you know, me and Maddie and the producer, trust me, we glad to have these pair here in the shoebox. Secured, man. Eesh. I know my producer got me right, so I'm just gonna let y'all decide. Let me see, we got any more extra. We got laces. You know, it's the only lace that came with it. Like I said, man, shout out to this collab, man. I think on the feed they had Fat Joe on a Nike sneaker app. And y'all check out their little video, how they uploaded. You kind of explain. They'll explain it better what I'm trying to explain to you, what they got going on in their pride. So look, man, I'm not gonna hold y'all up no more. You know what I say, man. Look, tell a friend and tell a friend. Y'all gonna sub up on me and Maddie. This is the official Give Back channel. We got more Give Backs on the way. Nothing changed. This is your boy Retro Rick from Retro Ricky Maddy's Kicks, man. You know what we say, man. We love y'all. Stay strong. Stay double strong. Still a whole lot of gang. Let's get it.
Yeah. Let's go. What up, Retro? Yeah. Let's go. Let's get it. Stay sleep. Wake the dead, Retro. No Retro, yo, he be the man. Yeah. Cause he get them kicks in advance. Yeah. Stockpile them up straight to the box. Woo. You can't find them, just get at my mans. You see him, just check out the kicks. All the haters, they drown in the drip. If you scuffing me, don't even trip. It's back to the box and switch. Retro game, keeping it lit. Check out the channel, it's full of content. Maddy Kicks will sit or lit. It don't get no better than this. Retro gang. Yo, they be the fam, double strong, mighty they stand. Nike launching the 80 the man. Pull up in the old school, better act like you know, dude. Cause when he hop out, all they can say is look at the shoe. Give it back to the peeps. That brother paying his dues. Getting blessed by the best. So how can